Hi. Was you crying a whole bunch? Yes, I was. She said, wake up, Mama. Wake up, Mama. What is this? What is this? Sophie. Hi. Hi, Sophie. You say hi? Can you talk? Can you talk? Hey, baby. Hi. Yeah. How are you? What is that? What is that? Hi. Yeah. Are you happy? You are so happy in the morning. Mommy is tired. Is Sophie tired? You yawning? Huh, pretty eyes? You yawning? Bunk, bunk. Whoa. Bless you, baby. Whoop, I hear a bubble in your tummy. Mama hears a bubble in Sophie's tummy. Yep, she's going to get fuzzy. Okay, bye-bye.